Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shelly Val. So if you're interested in this look right here, stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the M.A.C Prolongwear Concealer in NC45, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eye so that it's prepped and ready for when I blend out my eyeshadow in the crease and when I go ahead and perform a cut crease. So next I'm going to take M.A.C eyeshadow saddle and I'm going to apply that on the entire crease area in circular motion. Then I'm going to take M.A.C eyeshadow in brown script and I'm just going to overlay that on top of saddle onto my crease area in circular motions. Next, I'm going to take Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I'm going to apply that onto my lid. And the trick is to look up so that you have the perfect placement for where your cut crease lands. Now you definitely want to take your time when it comes to this part in particular. Doing a cut crease can be very tricky and you want to be very precise and make sure you have a smooth application before applying your eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take this eyeshadow and apply it onto my lid directly where I've placed the cut crease. Then grabbing the next color, I'm going to apply that only on the outer corner of that cut crease. Next, I'm going to take that darker shimmery eyeshadow and apply that on the outer corners of my eyelid, smoking it out into a V-like motion. Next, you want to take that beige shade and go ahead and blend that out onto the crease area to kind of smooth out some of the smokiness from the previous eyeshadow. So you want to go ahead and take that darker brown shade and you want to pack it towards the outer corner of the eye in a sideways kind of V-like motion. Then you want to grab a black eyeliner. I'm using Inglot, which is a paint pot, and I'm going to go ahead and create an eyeliner right above my lash line. Now using that same angle brush, I'm going to take a little bit more of the product and create a wing line. Now to even out my skin complexion, I'm going to be using L.A Pro Concealer in the color Orange. It is a color corrector, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that in the areas that have a little bit of a shadow or discoloration. Then I'm going to apply my foundation, Prolongwear Waterproof, in the shade NC50 using a Real Technique sponge. Then I'm grabbing Tarte Concealer and Shape Tape, and I'm just using that to conceal underneath my eyes and brighten certain areas of my face. And I'm just going to blend that out with a Beauty Blender sponge. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bake underneath my eye with Sasha Butterup's loose powder. I love this when it comes to setting my concealer. I'm going to take a lash curler to curl my natural lashes before I go ahead and apply false lashes on. Next, I'm going to apply Lilly lashes in Luxe using ILO Cosmetics latex-free glue. Now you want to make sure that your lashes and the false lashes are nicely blended together. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a mascara from M.A.C by lightly brushing my upper lash. Now if you have oily skin like myself, I tend to want to use a compact powder to go ahead and set my foundation. Now for a rosy shade on the cheek, I'm grabbing M.A.C blush in Ambering Rose. Now this is one of my favorite highlighters, and I love to contour with this too. This is La Peach by Artist Couture. Shout outs to Jackie Aina. I got this during Black Friday, so it's one of my favorites. Now this part is optional. I don't always contour my nose, but I'm just going back and grabbing Saddle and a Real Techniques brush and just lightly contouring. Now for the finishing touch for the foundation application, you want to go ahead and grab a facial spray. This is one of my favorites by Mario Badescu. It's rose water, and this is what I use to set my foundation. Okay, so you want to go ahead and grab a lip liner, any one of your choice depending on what lipstick you're going to use. I'm going to use Whirl. It's by M.A.C, and I'm just going to outline the outer lining of my lips. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a lip paint by Tartist, and it's called Birthday Suit. Now, because Tartist is a soft matte with that lip paint, I wanna go ahead and gloss it up with a little Steel Kiss by M.A.C. And there you have it, the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This hair is actually the Brazilian hair that I wore in a previous video. I just kind of blew it out, straightened it, because I did wear it straight one day, and then I went ahead and just threw some wand curls on it. And I'll go ahead and just kind of stand up a little bit to show you the length. Stay tuned for more videos and more looks like this.